This is the old side of the welding shop. This whole area used to be ours, but they somehow moved us. Ventilation system for smoke to collect all the smoke from the welds around the shop. Steel racks built out last year. A little tour of the shop. Old welding machines. Old, but they work very good. Then you go on to the new ones. Lincoln C300. This is the welding booths. Bandsaw, cut metal. This is some of the stuff that we're cutting. More. Another ventilation system. Old welding machine. Tombstone, Lincoln. This one right here is a freaking big one, but it's not working at the moment. Other sides. Another one. Plasma cutter. Gotta set it back up because we moved sides, so we had to switch it to this side. Yeah, this shop's pretty big. Tools, clamps, everything. Yeah, thanks for watching.